Want to make music like Cult? It's a lot simpler than you'd think. In this video, I will show you his go-to techniques that he uses to make music that generates millions of streams. But first, you need to know his go-to techniques to write music from scratch, as this makes it much simpler, and the technique involves in granular synthesis. Granular synthesis is a sound design process that operates by dividing sounds into small segments called grains. Using this technique, I came up with a beautiful pad like the one in the song From Within to build the song. And on top of that, I've added some ambience to give the song some depth. Now once we have a good foundation, it's time to add some chords to this. But the problem with traditional chords is that they sound very boring. And to avoid this problem, we use chord extensions. And you might be wondering, what are chord extensions? Chord extensions are made by adding the 7th and the 9th note from the scale on top of the basic triad chord. In short, they sound nice, and with some processing, they sound amazing. This is what I ended up with. Now that you have your chord progression, let's see how he makes his melodies. In most of his tracks, his melodies follow a lo-fi aesthetic. They're minimal, but they're effective. Here's what it sounds like after some processing. Another trick that I hear in Cult's music is the use of ear candy, such as lasers, sweeps, ad-libs, and motives. This makes his tracks stand apart from other artists. This sounds counterintuitive, since vocal is generally heard in the background while you are doing something else. But to grab the listener's attention, Cult uses these ear candies to make the song memorable. Heck, I remember so many songs of Cult because of this. I have used the vocals from Arcade, and all the other stuff are from a sample pack. More on that later. Like the vocals, use a simple drum pattern to complement rather than dominate the mix. Here's the drum pattern that I came up with. By the way, all the sounds that you hear from this video are from a sample pack called Euphoria. In Euphoria, there are drum loops, foley loops, drums, and 75 C-drum presets. So if you're interested in getting Euphoria, the link is in the description. Now, another artist who makes beautiful lo-fi hip-hop is Late Night Tones, and he uses different techniques to achieve his sound. So what I've done is, I have put together more lessons that you can learn from him in this video right here. I'll see you there.